In the summer of 2014, COTA, the Central Ohio Transit Authority, reached out to ITS Enclosures to discuss an all-new bus stop project. COTA desired to deploy digital signage at CMAX bus stops around the city of Columbus. CMAX is the city's bus rapid transit line. The project required a custom environmental LCD enclosure to be housed in a large pylon, attached to a bus shelter. Knowing the complexity of the project, and having worked with ITS Enclosures on previous projects, COTA knew that their digital signage vision would become a reality. In the winter of 2016, COTA purchased, built, and tested a prototype at their headquarters in Columbus. Throughout 2017, COTA installed a combination of single and double-sided pylons at each CMAX bus stop to display real-time arrival and departure information. The enclosure is equipped with a 47-inch high-bright LCD and a thermostatically controlled fan and heater system to protect the electronics in the extreme weather conditions of Ohio. The enclosure also safely houses a media player to ensure smooth content delivery. COTA purchased a total of 77 LCD enclosures, which are housed in a total of 64 pylons. The bus shelters keep riders informed of bus schedules and various happenings throughout the city of Columbus. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. Or simply visit itsenclosures.com to view more of our transportation installation videos and images.